I do have a personal here for bziddy. bziddy got a personal box, so good luck, sir. Let me see what I can find for you. All right, my friends. Hopefully we get him something nice. Okay, he has Luis Castillo, bziddy, Luis Castillo, Shea Langoliers, and Matt McClain to 99. Acuna, Ohapi, Saccone, Moreno, Devers, a Youthquake of Marco Luciano. Gray Kessinger is his first auto. And his second auto is Cold Keith. That's a nice one. Yeah. Yeah. Save the best for last. Okay. I couldn't find another one. But yes. Hold on one second. What am I missing? Did you just get it? Why don't I see it? Wait, I did yours earlier. Do you mean the one from this morning? I did that one a long time ago. I did that one at like 9 a.m. If that's the one you mean. If we're talking about the same one.